Okay, alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the electrolytics on this Pioneer SG-9500 equalizer, and I'm gonna start with the power supply. I've already replaced this 1000 microfarad, and I'm going to replace the old one here. I didn't have two of them, so, and then all the other smaller ones. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to plug it in and make sure it still works fine before I move on to the separate left and right channel processing boards. So, and I don't know if these are all the originals, but probably. This used to belong to my uncle. He passed away years ago, and I inherited this, and I'm pretty sure he wouldn't have taken this in to have it serviced. So 1978 capacitors. You see here the difference in the size from a new one to the old ones. It's kind of interesting. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I have all of my high quality Chicon capacitors here. Check them first and make sure they're accurate. Got to have the right tools. You have to have a good quality voltmeter. One of these for checking RMS, or that's not it. There's my other one here. Well, I'll find it. I have a couple. Oh, here it is. This one here is my MSER 100, which will check the for low ESR, make sure they're all good there. Anyway, go ahead and get started on this. Probably could take me about an hour or so, I guess, to maybe not that long. Because I have to take the back off here, and all the circuit boards are fully accessible right there, so we're good to go. I'll get back to you once this is done. Okay, so I'm all done. I got some alcohol and kind of cleaned up the boards really good after soldering, cutting all the vents and things off here. And we now have completely restored all new electrolytics. All of these, the blue ones are all brand new, and these are all brand new all the way through. Same thing with the power supply. Everything's new. The only one I didn't have was this one right here and this one right here, which is a 47 microfarads. So I will have to order those, but besides that, everything is brand new Nichicom. These are audio quality electrolytics too, so it should sound really good. So now I'm going to fire it all up. Sounds good. I'll get back to you and let you know what it sounds like.